So I have to put this, and here we go. Wow, I completed the project ma'am gave to me. I want to make a new project now, but ma'am seems very busy. Let me ask STEAMdost. Hello STEAMdost.
Hello, young maker.
I just completed the project ma'am gave to me. Now I want to make a project based on ocean and computer vision.
Well done, little tinkerer. On completing your project, it can be interesting to work on ocean or marine life projects. With computer vision, let's make a underwater explorer game. An interactive game where you will use hand gestures detected by OpenCV to explore underwater scenes and interact with marine life.
I will definitely research on that idea. Thank you very much STEAMdost.
You're welcome, always there to help my buddy in need.